kittens, today we are going to do how to make slime. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get on the video. Okay, so what you would need for this little thing, you would need toothpaste. I'm using Advanced White, baking soda and frost. I don't know if you will need something to mix with and something to mix in, and then you will take some shampoo. Now let's get to this video. So I got this thing, but I'm gonna hold it in here, so just in case if it doesn't work. So what you want to do is remember measurements you want. I mean, I don't know exact measurements, but I'm gonna do like a skirt, like tiny thing, so it won't make a big difference. I don't know, but this is how I'm sorry, everything keeps dropping, but that's how much I have like in the bottle. That's how much I'm gonna use. So you might want to stick it down. I don't know if this will actually work. It's like sticky, like, and the smell might be not great. I'm gonna put it on top, and then I'm just gonna fill it all the way, half of the way. So like that much with toothpaste and that together. So I got a pencil. Let's get mixing. Like, it's starting to cooperate, but it's not at this. As you can tell, it doesn't do that. So let's mix completely and see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna keep messing with my pencil. I don't know if the baking soda would be a difference, but no. So I use Advanced White, Extremely Whitening, Baking Soda and Peroxide, and I use this kind of Pantene shampoo. This might go whole. You see the dripping process is not that good. It looks like milk. That kind of milk. Soon I'll get new cameras and stuff. I just gotta see where they are at so I can start doing my videos on. But now it's just like drippy. So I need more toothpaste. I think I do. So I'm just gonna put that much back in so I can see how it covers. I'm gonna see how much I can do before I use all this toothpaste and gotta look for another. No, it's like not that goopy. Like, it's not even looking like slime. It's just looking like this on my pencil, but I don't know how it feels yet. I really know. It looks like salt with water. I think this was a horrible fail. A bad fail. But I'm gonna mix it a couple more times. See if it. Yeah, I don't think this is working out. Let's see how it feels on my hand. It's like it's not rough, but it's like that feeling that it's not slime. I can tell you that much. So there. But that was a complete fail. I'm not gonna freeze it, you know. But I didn't because I didn't want to waste my valuable time on something like that. So sorry guys, we didn't get to make slime today, but probably next time. Let's get the okay. Let's hit 50 likes for another video like this. Hope you enjoy my kittens. See you next time. Bye.